Welcome to our video showcasing the top 5 best editing laptops for June 2023. We've carefully curated a list that caters to every buyer's needs. Whether you're on a budget, require a high-end workstation, seek powerful portability, or demand professional-grade performance for 4K editing, join us as we explore these laptops, ranging from affordable options to premium choices. Let's get started. Asus Vivobook Pro 14 OLED. The Asus Vivobook Pro 14 OLED is an affordable option for video editing with its OLED screen, 90Hz refresh rate, and high resolution of 2880x1620. It offers a choice between AMD Ryzen 7 6800H or Intel Core i7 12700 CPUs, along with Intel Iris Xe or NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 GPUs. With 16 GB RAM and storage options of 512 GB or 1 TB, it provides ample power and storage for editing tasks. The laptop features a creator-friendly port selection, including a microSD reader, HDMI 2.1, and multiple USB-A ports. It also boasts an LED numpad integrated into the touchpad. Priced at $579 on Walmart, it's an excellent choice for both amateur and professional video editors seeking portability and affordability. HP's Zbook Studio G8. The HP's Zbook Studio G8 is a high-end workstation designed for professionals seeking top-of-the-line performance. It offers impressive specifications and features tailored for video editing purposes. The laptop is equipped with a range of CPU options, including Intel Core i7 12700, 700H, 12800H, or i9 12900H, and GPU choices such as NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 RTX A1000, or RTX A2000. It comes with 16 GB or 32 GB of RAM and storage options of 512 GB or 1 TB. The 15.6-inch display boasts a resolution of 2560x1600 pixels. In terms of features, the Zbook Studio G8 stands out with its business-oriented privacy and security suite, encompassing TPM 2.0, BitLocker encryption, and HP Power on authentication. The laptop sports an RGB keyboard for customizable backlighting. It offers a generous selection of ports for connectivity, and there's an option for an OLED screen, excellent speakers, and tile functionality for locating the device. The battery life may vary depending on usage. As for the pricing, the HP's Zbook Studio G8 is listed at $1,219 on Adorama. This makes it an attractive option for professional video editors who require robust performance and enterprise-level security features at a reasonable price point. MSI Creator Z16. The MSI Creator Z16 is a powerful and portable workstation designed for content creators and professionals. With its thin and light form factor, it prioritizes portability without compromising on performance. The laptop features an Intel Core i7 12700, 700A processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics, 16 GB of RAM, and a spacious 1 TB storage. The 16-inch display boasts a resolution of 2560x1600 pixels and a high refresh rate of 120 Hz, providing smooth visuals for video editing tasks. In terms of design, the Creator Z16 showcases a sleek and understated aesthetic, reminiscent of MacBook designs. Weighing under 5 pounds and measuring just over half an inch thick, it offers excellent portability for professionals on the go. The laptop's performance in video editing tasks is commendable, with fast exports in software like Premiere Pro. However, the intense workload may lead to noticeable fan noise during operation. The laptop has all necessary ports with SD card reader, and the keyboard has a backlighting. The Creator Z16 provides a large 90-watt battery and fast charge architecture that adapts to the way you work, for you to quickly recharge and ready to go. As for pricing, the MSI Creator Z16 is available for $1,750, providing a competitive option for content creators seeking a capable and portable workstation for their professional video editing needs. Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch 2023. The Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch 2023 is a powerful and feature-packed laptop designed for professional video editing. Its specifications include the M2 Pro chip with a 12-core CPU and 19-core GPU, 16 GB of unified memory, upgradable to 32 GB, and a 1 TB SSD storage, upgradable to 8 TB. The laptop boasts a stunning 14.2-inch liquid Retina XDR display with extreme dynamic range, providing over 1,000 nits of brightness and Pro reference modes for precise color work. It is equipped with advanced camera and audio features, including a 1080p FaceTime HD camera, a 3-mic array, and a 6-speaker sound system with spatial audio. Connectivity options include MagSafe charging, 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, an HDMI port, and an SDXC card slot, ensuring seamless data transfer and peripheral connections. The Magic Keyboard with Touch ID offers a secure and efficient way to unlock the device and sign into apps. With up to 18 hours of battery life, the MacBook Pro can sustain long editing sessions on the go. Although the MacBook Pro 16-inch 2023 provides exceptional performance, a high-quality display, and extensive connectivity, it's important to consider the price point, which starts at around $2,500. However, for professionals seeking top-notch video editing capabilities and a reliable workstation, this laptop is a compelling option. Dell XPS 17. The Dell XPS 17 2021 is a powerful laptop designed for 4K video editing and content creation. Its specifications include an Intel Core i7-11800A processor with 8 cores, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card, and 16 GB of high-speed RAM. The laptop features a 17-inch UHD touch display with a resolution of 3840 x 2400 pixels, providing excellent color accuracy and detail for video editing tasks. It comes with a spacious 1 TB PCI NVMe SSD for fast and ample storage. In terms of design, the XPS 17 boasts an attractive silver aluminum lid and bottom cover, complemented by a black carbon fiber deck interior for a premium look and feel. The backlit keyboard offers a comfortable typing experience. The laptop is equipped with 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports, allowing for fast data transfer and connectivity to external devices such as high-speed storage solutions. The laptop offers reliable performance and smooth video editing capabilities, making it suitable for demanding editing tasks. The Dell XPS 17 is generally well regarded for its quality build and performance. As for the price, the Dell XPS 17 2021 is listed at $2,896, positioning it as a higher-end option for professionals seeking a capable and feature-rich laptop for their 4K video editing needs. And there you have it, our roundup of the top 5 editing laptops for June 2023. Whether you're a budget-conscious buyer or in search of high-performance workstations, we've covered it all. We hope this video has helped you find the perfect laptop for your editing needs. Happy editing!